My name is Thiago and welcome to Bull or Bear Futures channel. I've been talking in my videos always about technical skills. They are obviously critical to the trader's success. However, today I'm gonna take that stone as inspiration and tell about risk management. Such as in many sports, as in hill climbing, the risk management is something really crucial to keep the sportsman alive. So that is in day trading. We need to create rules to protect us from the sometimes worst enemy we have in day trading. It's us. We need to protect us from ourselves. So you need to establish simple rules or procedures that keeps you in the game. Here, different from many sports, in every sport we have the coach, and the coach defining the strategy, instructing the players. If the coach detects something is getting wrong, something starts going wrong, the coach can call a timeout. In day trading, we do not have this alternative. We're managing, we're on the driver's seat, so we don't have anyone to say we need to stop. It's better to quit. We don't have this third party to enter and stop, or enter and rearrange things with us. So this becomes even important for us to create these simple rules. I have two simple that I'd like to share with you. If I take 2 stops in a row, I stand up, get a coffee, or try to get water. I see that it's maybe 30 seconds, 1 minute is enough to take a breath and bring me back to the game. Another simple strategy I use is to make my trading journal in a handwriting. You certainly heard about trading journal. If you do not do this, you should do. I use it to make it in a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet, but for some years I decided to make in handwriting. Handwriting, it seems that I get more conscious or I think better in the situation, and I reconstruct the trading and put in brief notes in the paper. This reconstruction seems to get me back, or at least makes me think in what I've made as mistake, and sometimes or many times avoid me doing the same later on. If you have any strategy, please share with us here in the comment. This can be very helpful for me and for all the fellows watching these videos. Thanks for watching, hope you have enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel and leave your like in the end.